trouble. Ooh. Hello, this is Dr. Frankenstein here. Woo! Look at that. Huh? Is that cool? Don't drink too many because you may turn into Satan. It's midnight on Halloween night, and I am in the mood for a bubbling cauldron of Witches Brew. That's right. Today's drink is a Witches Brew. And I'm going to make it right now. But first, let me get this stupid mask off because it's driving me crazy. I feel so much better. That's right. We're going to make a Witches Brew. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. You're going to love it. So, here's how we start out. One of the most important things is how this looks. And it's going to look so cool because it's going to have a purple rim of sugar around the glass. And here's how to do it. You're going to take some sugar, all right, just about a quarter cup of just granulated sugar. You're going to take some food coloring. What I'm going to do is put in 1, 2, 3 drops of red, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 drops of blue food coloring. Put the lid on this and do this. Ready? Shake it up. This is how you make colored sugar. You probably make colored salt too if you wanted to. But look at this. So it's all done. Look how it comes out. Woo! Look at that. Huh? Is that cool? And it's still good and sugary. Okay, so then we're going to take a couple of saucers here, and we're going to put the blue sugar into this one. Yes, that's right. The blue sugar goes in here, and then you put some lime juice into this saucer here. Okay, and then I'm using a rocks glass today. You can also use just a small cocktail glass, and you put the rim in the lime juice. You put the glass in the sugar, and look at that rim. Oh, get rid of a little excess. Look at that purple rim for this cocktail. Now, here's how you actually make the Witches Brew. First thing you're going to need vodka, okay, regular vodka, and some fresh lime juice, and some Chambord. Chambord is a French raspberry liqueur, really good. You could also use just a regular raspberry liqueur. I think Bowls makes one, a couple of other companies do, or you could use a blackberry liqueur, whatever you can find, and you'll use a lot of it, believe me. First and foremost, we're going to take the shaker, all right, and we're going to pour 1.25 ounces of vodka. Alrighty, so we want 1.25 ounces of the vodka. There you go. Then you need 3/4 ounce of the Chambord. So we're going to do this right to here. 3/4 ounce of that. I need 1/2 ounce of the lime juice. Alrighty, and there it is. So give a little tartness to this cocktail. That's it. We shake it up. Everything all nice and mixed up and chilly. Cold Halloween night. All right, now look at this. Look how good this looks in this glass. Yes. If that ain't a witch, I don't know what is. Ooh. Ooh, some of those delicious purple things are floating in and down into the glass. Looks like it's alive because it is. Now taste it. Whoa. Ooh, that is good. Are my lips purple? Oh man, that's so good. Because of the lime juice, which is tart, you get that nice purple sugar rim, which cuts that tartness. You really get the raspberry in here from the Chambord. And of course, the vodka is that last little kicker in there. Oh man, this is really good. Very refreshing. Look at that. That'll make you happy just looking at it. And it'll make your lips purple, and your tongue too, probably, which is always fun for a party. Anyway, hope you enjoy it. This is a Witches Brew. Oh, double toilet trouble. Happy Halloween, everyone.